I started my coaching and consulting business about 15 years ago because I personally, as a brick and mortar business owner, salon owner of over 30 years now, wanted to create a plan B for myself. I needed an exit strategy. And during a downtime in my life when I needed to truly figure out how to reinvent myself, reinvent my business, and at that time I was like, you know what, I really want more freedom too, because physically I didn't want to continue being behind the chair as much as I was my whole career. When I got remarried to my husband Giuseppe and decided that we were going to have a second home in Italy, this solidified the fact that I really wanted to have a freedom-based business where I can help people create impact and change people's lives, all while financially having a great income, but not being strapped to being tied down to a location in one place. I quickly realized that my coaching and consulting business was so much more than I ever imagined. I'm going to be hosting a free workshop where I'm going to be actually pulling the curtain back and sharing exactly how I created my exit strategy from being a salon owner and behind the chair to creating a lucrative coaching and mentoring business. If this resonates, I want you to head on over to the link, register, come on down, it's free.